Welcome to the students again. Now we are to solving the exercise 2.3. In exercise 2.3, we are to solving the example which are depends upon the Lagrange's. Verify Lagrange's mean value theorem for the following functions. But what is mean by this Lagrange's mean value theorem? If we consider any curve in xy plane, suppose we consider this type of curve is there for the any real valued function. That function is differentiable and continuous. This graph is continuous. And we selected any 2 point. Suppose this one is the first point A. This one is the second point B. It means it is the f of A, f of B, and this one is the slope of that curve. Suppose that names are AB. We selected any point on the curve, and that curve always continuous and differential. At that time, we are calculate the constant number or any value which lie between A and B. So that value is called as the C. So C belongs to AB. C belongs to AB such that f dash C equal to f of B minus f of A upon B minus. What is the difference between Rolle's theorem and LMVT? तर रोल्स थेरम मध्ये काय सांगितलंय की फंक्शन जर कंटिन्युअस आणि डिफरन्शिएबल असेल आणि थर्ड कंडिशन काय f ऑफ a इक्वल टू f ऑफ b जर असेल तर त्यामध्ये c बिलोंग्स टू ab such that f dash c इक्वल टू g. पण इथं तसं काय नाही. इथं काय f ऑफ a आणि f ऑफ b वेगवेगळे असले तरी चालतील. फक्त काय डिफरन्शिएबल आणि कंटिन्युअस फंक्शन असलं पाहिजे. आणि या पद्धतीने किंवा या फॉर्म्युल्याचा जर तुम्ही उपयोग केला तर तुम्हाला c ची व्हॅल्यू यामध्ये मिळते. हा झाला LMVT किंवा लॅग्रांजेस मीन व्हॅल्यू थेरम आणि शॉर्टकट मध्ये म्हणायचं LMVT. So this question is depends upon this LMVT, and for this first example is log x. Fx equal to log x on the domain 1 and e. Now this first we calculate the value f of a, f of b, f dash c, and then required solution. Now first, from this domain a is equal to 1 and b equal to e, put 1. So So that is equal to log 1. Log 1 is 0. Next value, put x equal to e. So we get log e. Log e is 1. That is the property of log. लॉग ची ही प्रॉपर्टी आहे आणि त्या प्रॉपर्टी प्रमाणे याचा आन्सर आपला किती मिळेल 1. नाउ वी सिलेक्टेड द गिवन फंक्शन fx equal to log x. Differentiate this function. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x. X is replaced with c. C. Now by LMVT, Lagrange's mean value theorem. That formula is f dash c equal to f of b minus f of a upon b minus a. Now this formula is modified like this. F dash c equal to f of b means f of e minus a is the 1 upon value of b is e minus 1. a किती आहे 1 आहे आणि b किती e. म्हणजे डायरेक्ट तुम्ही हा फॉर्म्युला असा मांडला तरी चालतो. प्रत्येक वेळेस f of b minus f of a मांडण्याची आवश्यकता नसते. Now put all values. F dash c is the 1 upon c equal to f of e. F of e is the 1. F of b is 0 upon e minus 1. 1 upon c equal to 1 upon e minus 1. Taking the cross multiplication, we get c equal to e minus 1. And e minus 1 belongs to 1 and e. इथं आपल्याला स्पष्ट सांगितलंय की e ची व्हॅल्यू जी आहे ती कमी आहे 1 पेक्षा. So c equal to e minus 1. So that is the required solution. मग तुम्ही म्हणता मग e ची व्हॅल्यू 1 पेक्षा कमी आहे तर मुळात e ची व्हॅल्यू किती असते? e equal to 2.73. मग e ची व्हॅल्यू त्यामधून सबट्रॅक्ट झाली की आपल्याला काय मिळतो c. So that is the first solution of this example. Now second example. Second one. Fx is equal x minus 1, x minus 2, then x minus 3 on 0 and 4. On 0, 4. Again, calculate the values f of a, f of b, f dash c. From this domain, a equal to 0, b equal to 4. Now solution, f of a. A means f of 0. So we get 0 minus 1, 0 minus 2, 0 minus 3, minus 1 multiply minus 2 multiply minus 3, multiplication is minus 6. Second value f of b, it means f of 4. So 4 minus 1, 4 minus 2, 4 minus 3. So 3 multiply 2 into 1, multiplication is 6. Again, we write the given function fx equal to x minus 1, x minus 2. We have to require differentiate this function, but these three brackets are multiply each other. Therefore, differentiation is not easy. Therefore, we simplify this bracket. Simplify means we multiply this bracket each other. So we get x minus 1 multiply these two brackets. X square minus 2x minus x plus 2. This multiplication again. X square minus 3x plus 2 multiply this, we get x cube minus 3x square minus 3x square minus minus plus 9x plus 2 multiply x is 2x minus 6. परत येतात ना x square into x cube, x square into minus 3 3x square minus 3x multiply plus x again minus 3x square minus 3x into minus 3 plus 9x plus 2x and minus 6. So we get x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. That is the given function. Now this function is differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with f dash x equal to 3x square minus 12x plus 11. X is replaced with c. Now by LMVT formula f dash c equal to f of b minus f of a upon b minus a. F dash c is the 3 square minus 12 c plus 11. F of b is the 6. F of a is the minus 6. Divided by the b is 4 minus a is 0. 3c square plus 12 c plus 11. 6 plus 6 upon 4. 3c square minus 12c plus 11 equal to how much? 6 plus 6 is the 12. 12 upon 4. Answer is 3. 3c square minus 12c. 11 minus 3 that is plus 9. Again divide by the 3. We get c square minus 4c plus 3. Divide by the. Now this one is factorize. Factors of the c. Factor of these three. That is minus 3 minus 1. Therefore we get c square minus 3c minus 1c plus 3. C common, we get c minus 3 minus 1 into c minus 3 again. C minus 3 is the one factor, c minus 1 is the second. C minus 3 equal to 0 or c minus 1 equal to 0. C lie between 0 to 4, and these 3 also lie between 0 to 4. Therefore, C equal to 3 or 1, which belongs to 0 to 4. So these are the two values for this required function. For this required function. So now observe this c square factors, then minus 3c, okay. Now we are to starting the one more example. That example is number 3rd. Example number 3. Same, verify the Lagrange's mean value theorem. सेवन मध्ये एक्झाम्पल नंबर 3, fx इक्वल टू x square minus 3x minus 1, where x belongs to minus 11 by 7 and 13 by 7. Minus 11 by 7 and 13 by 7. Now first, calculate f of a. It means f of minus 11 by 7. So minus 11 upon 7 bracket square minus 3 into minus 11 upon 7 minus 1. 11 square is 121 by 7 minus minus plus 33 by 7 minus 1. Seven is the LCM, we get 121 plus 33 minus 7. $33. Taking the addition and subtract the 7. 121 plus 33, 154 minus 7, we get 147 upon 7. Now next value f of b, that b is the 13 by 7. Again we substitute 13 by 7 bracket square minus 3 multiplied by 13 by 7 minus 1. 13 square is 169 upon 7 square is 49. इथं स्क्वेअर नाही येतात. 7 square किती 49. LCM is the 49. Now see this addition again. 121 fix. 33 by 7 multiply 49. 7 to 7 and 33 multiply 7. 1 to carry 21 plus 2 23. So this one is the 231 and 41 multiply minus 1 we get 40. 49 multiply minus 1. Now this one 121 plus 231 350 minus 49, 9 plus 3, 12, 1 carry 0, 3. So this will be 303 upon 49. Now continue again this next. Minus 13 multiply 3, 39 by 7 minus 1, 169. कारण एलसीएम किती आहे 49 आहे. मग 39 अपॉन 7 मल्टिप्लाय 169 सॉरी 49 7 मल्टिप्लाय 39 9 to 7 जा 63 6 carry 7 to 3 21 21 plus 6 27 minus 49. Now this one 273 minus 169 9 to 4 30 0 1 इधर है minus 104 minus 49 taking this addition minus 153 upon किती 49 f of a f of b. Now next write the given function and differentiate that function again. Write the given function and differentiate this. Fx equal to function is x square minus 3x minus 1. F dash x is 2x minus 3. X replace with c. And now apply the LM Vt. By LM Vt, f dash c equal to f of b minus f of a upon b minus a. F dash c is the 2c minus 3. F of b is the minus 153 upon 49 minus 303 upon 49 divided by the b is 13 by 7 minus a is minus 11 by 7 to c minus 3 is equal to थोड़ा सा खाली minus and minus take the addition 3 plus 3 6 0 plus 5 5 3 plus 1 4 minus sign upon 49. This one minus minus plus, so 13 plus 11 24 upon 7. Therefore 2c minus 3 equal to minus 456 upon 49 multiply reciprocal 7 upon 24. 7 to 7. थोडंसं रफ कॅल्क्युलेशन करायचं. Now this minus 560 upon 20. 4 to 6 are 24, 4 to 1, 4 to 1, 4 to 4. Again divide by the 2, we get 3, and this one is 5, 7, 57 by 3, 57 upon 7 multiply 3, 21. याला भाग जातोय का पहा पुढे. 2c minus 3 equal to minus 57 upon 21 plus 3. ये डिवाइडेशन किती मिळेल 3 to 57. 8 ने भाग जातो. 2c minus 3 equal to किती झाले 21 multiply 3 63 minus 57 7 13 minus 7 6 बरोबर 6 by 21. C equal to 3 by 21. So that is 1 by 7. And this 1 by 7 belongs to 11 by 7 and 13 by 7. That is the required value. Lagrange's mean value theory part वरती हे दोन एक्झाम्पल थोडे कॅल्क्युलेशनच्या बाबतीत डिफिकल्ट आहेत, त्यामुळे ते दोन एक्झाम्पल आपण यामध्ये कंटिन्यू घेतले. अजून यामध्ये दोन एक्झाम्पल राहिले तर ते तुम्ही होमवर्कमध्ये सॉल्व करा. त्यानंतर आपण पुढच्या लेक्चरला नेक्स्ट जी एक्सरसाइज आहे त्याची सुरुवात करू. तोपर्यंत बाय.